Hello, good morning everybody. This is Mudassir Khan. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like and share it. Here is the unboxing of Realme Buds Air 2, just purchased from the local store. So I got it for around 3500. So the online price is around 4000. I'll just do the unboxing. This is Realme Buds Air 2. Just open this here. Yeah, I purchased it black. This is a black color. Remove this. This is a oval shape Realme logo, and we have to open this. These are the buds. This and this. This fits into this into the ears very well, and this is has Type C charging. Sound quality is very good. Let me see what else I'll get. Nothing other than the. These are these are the earbuds, and this is a orange cable from USB A to Type C cable. That's all we get. The sound quality is very good and the bass is boosted, and the vocals and trebles are okay. So I just had that listen to this earbuds. So again I am requesting, please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share it. Thank you very much.